wake up! It is 7:46. We are late!
What? What? Late? What? 7:46? The flight is at 9.
The alarm did not ring. We forgot to set it.
Oh no, oh no, no, we have 1 hour. Michael, hurry up, hey!
Emma! Tommy, wake up now! We are very late!
Mom, it is so early. 5 more minutes, please.
No minutes! 0 minutes! The plane leaves at 9. Tommy, stop playing! Get dressed now!
But Mom, my airplane is flying to space.
Where are my trousers? Where is my belt?
No time for makeup today. Just brush and go.
Should I wear the blue one or the green one?
Emma, just pick one. We have no time.
I packed everything I need. I am ready.
Tommy, you packed only toys. Where are your clothes?
But Mom, superheroes do not need clothes.
My passport! Where is my passport? I cannot find it!
Did you check the bedroom drawer?
Found them! They were here the whole time!
Michael, I told you to put them in the bag last night. Go, go, go. Everyone out. The taxi is waiting.
My suit, Chief, will not close. Just go! Good morning, family! You are very late, yes? Airport, please. As fast as you can. Push harder, my friend. Almost there. Why did we pack so much?
How long to the airport, Carlos?
30 minutes if the traffic is good. And if it is bad, then we pray, my friend.
Wait. Brats.
Take a passports, a kitchen.
You left them? Carlos, we have to go back. We forgot the passports.
Go back?
Okay, okay. Hold on tight, everybody.
Whee! This is like a race car.
Hurry, Michael, hurry.
I know, coming. The taxi's waiting. Keys, where's God? Ooh, he's working. Michael. Got him, let us go, now! Four passports, I to try cost times. Airport route time, let us go, my friends.
1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 here.
How much time do we have? 25 minutes, my friend. We can make it. We are here. 15 minutes. Let us run. Easy there, folks. I'll get this bag.
All the kids. Carlos, thank you.
Let's go. Good luck. Good luck, my friend. Run like the wind. Thank you, Carlos. You saved us. Go, and have fun at the beach. Check-in counter over there. Fast.
Wait, adventure!
A unicorn's flying.
Keep going.
Hurry, the line's getting longer.
Flight BA-247. 4 passengers, please.
Let me check for you, sir. Passports, please. You are checked in, but you must hurry. Gate closes in 12 minutes. 12 minutes? Gate 23. Security is that way. Run. Thank you.
Let us go, family. Run.
Dad, a sock is coming out of the suitcase.
Let it go, Emma. We have no time.
Here's next. Everybody ready?
A queue? Oh, no. We do not have time for a queue.
Just wait, Michael. Be patient.
This belt! Why is it so difficult?
Oh no, my socks do not match. How embarrassing.
Tommy, you must put the cape in the bin.
Nulls never remove their cape.
Even superheroes follow security rules. Please, Tommy.
Sir, please step to the side. What? What did it take? Well, I took off my do. I doffed my bet. Oh, coins! I am so sorry. I forgot the coins. Empty your pockets completely next time, sir.
Whose bag is this? There is a water bottle inside.
That is mine. Oh no, I forgot my water bottle.
You cannot bring liquids. I must take this.
My favorite water bottle. But it is pink.
We will buy a new one, Emma. Come on.
This belt again. Why won't it go through?
My shoes are all tangled. Hold on. My Kate is ready for takeoff.
Gate 23. We have 7 minutes. Where is it?
Wait, the gate changed. Gate 47?
47?
That is the other end of the airport. Run! Everybody run! Gate 47!
Super Tommy is flying. Look, a giant airplane. I want it.
Tommy, not now. Come here immediately.
I am flying. Super Tommy is flying.
You are not flying. You are being carried.
There, gate 47. I can see it. Please wait. We are coming.
Hey, Sky! Can you fly away, yeah?
Family Miller, you are the last ones. Boarding passes, please.
Yes! Miller! Here! 4 passes, please!
Welcome aboard. You made it just in time.
We made it. I cannot believe we made it.
Never again, Michael. Never. Never.
I'm just glad we didn't miss the flight.
Welcome aboard.
Your seats are on the right, row 12.
Thank you! We are so happy to be here! Come on, go in, please fit them. Michael, push harder! People are waiting!
I can see the wing and the wheels. Tommy, sit down and put your seatbelt on.
Good morning, passengers. We are now at cruising altitude.
We are on the plane. I can breathe now.
Do not relax yet. You still owe me a holiday.
We are moving. The airplane is going. Here we go. We are really flying.
Yes, sweetie. Hold on tight. It's...
Super Day. This is so cool. Mom, look. We are above the clouds. Beautiful. Finally, some peace and quiet.
Would you like something to drink?
Coffee, please. Very strong. I need it today.
Tea for me, please. And juice for the children.
Rocket juice. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Tommy, you are so weird.
Tommy, eat your vegetables.
Superheroes only eat cookies. Super Tommy is recharging.
Look at them. So peaceful. Finally.
Worth all the chaos this morning.
Dad! Mom! I can see the ocean. It's woo! Oh, wow. Look at the water. It is so beautiful. Almost there.
Our vacation begins.
Camera ready! Our vacation starts now! Wow, what's so beautiful?
I see the beach. So dramatic. It's wonderful, isn't it? Warm. I can feel the sun. I love it.
We made it. We are really here.
Look at the palm trees. This is paradise.
Our hotel, right on the beach!
Perfect. It's beautiful, Michael. The kids love it.
Wow. All right, let's go check in.
The bed is so bouncy. I can see the beach from here.
Look at that ocean!
I can't wait to build a sandcastle. Tommy, you cannot swim with your cape.
Superheroes always swim with their cape. Yeah, superheroes do.
Oh, look at this. Just look at this.
It is so beautiful. I want to cry.
Super Toy attacks the ocean! The water got me! It is warm. I love it. My sandcastle will be the best one on this beach.
Best photos of my life. This is perfect.
This is what I needed. Peace, quiet, sun.
The castle needs a superhero flag. Tommy, that is my Both of you.
All right, team, this mode is coming along great.
It's the best castle ever.
This morning was the worst morning ever.
And this evening is the best evening ever.
Was all that running and panic worth it?
Look at this sunset, Emma. Every second was worth it.
Next time, Michael, we pack the night before.
Deal.